Today we will discuss how to plot iron carbide equilibrium diagram. So we know, as far as iron carbide diagram is concerned, along y-axis we have temperature in degrees Celsius, and along x-axis we have weight percent carbon. So let us start. Along y-axis, temperature. This is origin. Along y-axis, as we have discussed, temperature in degrees Celsius, right? We can divide this diagram into three parts. This one, origin, 100% pure iron. 100% pure iron. This one is Fe3C, which contains, now see here, along x-axis we have weight percent carbon is there along x-axis. 0% carbon, and this one is 6.67% carbon. Let us divide this diagram. Let us start with, so first, low temperature region we can have. This is low temperature region. This temperature is 727 degrees Celsius. Another temperature is 910 degrees Celsius. So we start with, this is a line we have drawn at 727. We can start from 910 to 0.025 at 727 degrees Celsius. And from this, we can say this one is 0.025 and this one is 0.008, right? Next one is, this is 0.8%. So this one is 0.8% carbon, 0.8, right? This is the lowermost region. Now next, let us go for the middle part of this diagram, that is 1147 degrees Celsius. This is 1147 degrees Celsius. We can write 1147, right? That means now here, from this we can go for this at 2% carbon. This is your 2% carbon. At 1147 only we can have 4.43% carbon. Carbon. Now the uppermost part of this diagram. This is a full line. Please make a note. This is also full line. This is also full line. Now the uppermost part. This is at 1492 degrees Celsius. This temperature is melting point of pure iron, 1539 degrees Celsius. This is 1492. This is 1410. Okay, then we start with, now this one start from 1539 so that it will come to 0.1. This is a 0.1. Next you join this point with this one. This is 0.1% carbon. Please make a note. Next, from 1410 you join this one, and then from here, from 1539 you start, and you can have this point. This point can be your 0.55% carbon. This is a dark line or full line, we may say. Now from this point, this is 0.18% carbon. If you remember, join this point with 2% carbon at 1147 degrees Celsius. Next, this is important point, 4.43. From 0.55, join a line like this. Now this line is least important for us. Now you start from here, some 45 degree line, dark line initially, and then dotted line you can draw. This is how we draw iron carbide equilibrium diagram. Next we will go for how to mark the phases in this. Phases can be marked, right? Phases can be marked here. Let us see what are the phases present as far as this diagram is concerned. So let us go for writing the phases. Writing the phases. So first phase which is present here, that is alpha. Most important. Now one more temperature we can have here. Today only we have discussed. This is one more temperature which is 210 degrees Celsius. Okay, what are the phases? Phases we can write alpha ferrite. This phase is of gamma. This is of gamma. Gamma phase. Now this region is of delta. This region is of liquid. Now, once we write these phases, this is Fe3C we know, this is pure iron. Then the phase present here is alpha plus gamma. Phase present here is delta plus gamma. Phase present here is delta plus liquid. Phase present here is gamma plus liquid. Phase over here is L plus Fe3C. Phase here is gamma plus Fe3C. Phase here, this region is of alpha plus Fe3C. Alpha plus Fe3C. This is how we draw iron carbide equilibrium diagram. One more temperature, 210. We know this is A0 temperature, critical temperature. We have seen today. A1, another critical temperature. A2, which is present at 768. This is A2 temperature. This line is A3 temperature and this one is A4 temperature. Critical temperatures. Okay, thank you.